Hi everyone, did you know that making your own bread can be super easy, convenient, and save you lots of money? I'm sure you have an old bread machine kicking around in your garage, unopened. Well, bring that out and we're going to be using the dough function. The beauty of using just the dough function is you can walk away after dumping in all the ingredients and go and do your errands. It's like about 2 hours for a cycle. When you come back, you get to do the fun part, which is shaping, rising, and then baking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my foolproof bread machine recipe for milk bread. It's shreddably soft and has a TANGZHONG, which allows the bread to stay at room temperature, nice and soft. Great for sandwich breads. After the 2-hour cycle, you remove the dough from the machine and remember to take the paddle out. You divide your dough into 3. I usually weigh it so that it's equally weighted and not lopsided. I use a little spray bottle with some filtered water in it. I spray either my hands, the dough, or the surface, the rolling pin even, and it allows me to roll out the dough without adding extra flour, which can make your bread tough. You can use a regular loaf tin or you can use a Pullman loaf. That's the kind with the lid on the top to make square bread. I like to spray my tin with some nonstick spray before I put my bread rolls in it. For each ball of dough, you're going to be rolling it out into an oval, then folding into thirds, and then you're going to roll it out like this into a long strip. Mine's sticking, but I use a little bit of water and spray it on my hands, and that helps me handle the dough better. Roll it up cinnamon roll style, and then seal the ends by pinching together and place it in your tin. You'll do this with every piece of dough, all 3 of them. Here are the rolled pieces of dough, and covering it with some plastic wrap and allow it to rise for about 40 minutes. When the dough has reached almost to the top of the tin, you're going to put it in your preheated oven for 30 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and when it's baked, you bring it out and brush the tops with some butter. If you want to, you can pull apart each third and see how shreddable it is. If you want to use it for sandwich bread, I highly suggest an electric knife, which will allow you to make even slices.